Welcome back, garden enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of gardening for health, and I've got something truly special to share with you all, the Medicinal Garden Kit. Now, before we get started, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest gardening tips and tricks. Alright, let's take a look at what's inside this fantastic kit. We've got everything from healing herbs like lavender and chamomile, to potent medicinal plants like echinacea and calendula. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this kit has everything you need to create your very own medicinal garden right at home. Planting your own medicinal garden is not only a rewarding hobby, but it also provides you with a sustainable source of natural remedies right in your backyard. Just imagine brewing a cup of soothing herbal tea made from your very own homegrown herbs. It's not only delicious but packed full of health benefits too. So, whether you're looking to boost your immune system, ease stress, or simply add more greenery to your life, the Medicinal Garden Kit is the perfect solution. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check out the link in the description below to get your own Medicinal Garden Kit today. Happy gardening, everyone!